Happy National Sports Day. It is celebrated every year on the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as nation's greatest hockey player of all times. So now we learn something related to sports through a story of Manisha, who has the sportsman spirit. So let's begin. Manisha could hear her heart beating like a drum. Taking her position at the starting line, she murmured to herself, talked in a low voice. She whispered to herself, I hope I have trained enough. She had never run a 3-kilometer race, cross-country race, along with so many competitors. Her friend Zeenath heard her talking to herself. She comforted Manisha. Stop worrying. I know you will surely win. Manisha was all nerves. She was very nervous. She felt the burden of everyone's hopes and expectations. She could not bear to wait at the starting line any longer. She could not help but think how her brother had coached and instructed her. He had ran and sprinted with her, encouraging and advising her for weeks before the race. Sprinted meaning ran fast for a short distance. Thinking of her brother gave her courage, and she looked at the track sprawled in front of her with a newfound determination. Sprawled meaning spread out over a long area. Just in time, the announcer blared on the megaphone. Blared meaning say loudly. All participants, on your marks, bang! The starter's gun went off and the runners sprang away from the starting line. After about 500 meters, the flat track changed to a steep upward slope lined by pine trees. Manisha was looking forward to this part, since she had specially trained for it. Once, while practicing running up a slope, she sprained her ankle because she was pushing too hard. She had learned from her injury and understood that different problems need different solutions. She learned that running up a slope needed different preparation than running on a flat track. After running 1.5 kilometers, Manisha reached the top. She was in the first place. As she looked down from the top, she could see a gentle slope that led straight to the flat end part of the track. She could hear her brother and friends calling her name and encouraging her. They were all standing outside the track. They were all encouraging Manisha. She got down the slope faster than she had climbed it. Still in the lead, she saw a race marshal spreading his arms and waving a flag. Out, off track, you must get back on the track. Manisha suddenly realized that she had gone off the track. She was dismayed, meaning she was sad, she was shocked. This could cost her the entire race. Nevertheless, she did not stop. She turned around and got back on the correct track. Her brother had stressed the importance of respecting the marshal. We should respect the rules. She did not argue with him and joined the other runners. All the runners were at the same track. Manisha was not in the lead now. There were 5 other racers ahead of her. This was the last stretch of the race. Manisha was sure she could not win now. But she did not slow down. Instead, she pushed harder. Eager to win the race, she charged forward. She did not even realize when she overtook 4 runners. Now she was at the second position. She could see the red ribbon marking the finish line, stretched across the track, just out of her reach. She leapt across the finish line. She was in the second position. Her friends and brother surrounded her. Even though she had not come first, they praised her performance and tried to cheer her up. Her brother asked her what went wrong, and she explained it all in a one breath. I did not know when I entered the wrong track. I had to go back to the right one. One silly mistake had cost me the race, explained Manisha. She felt a hand resting softly on her shoulder. She turned round to find her father smiling proudly at her. He said, "It doesn't matter if you came first or second. What matters is you tried your best. Keep this up, and you will always be on the right track." Her friend Zeenat added, "And you will still receive a silver medal." Manisha could have complained how it was unfair to her. She was, after all, in the first place. She could have argued with the marshal, but she did not. She did not make any excuse or tried to cheat. Manisha remembered the race even when she grew up. She had learnt a lot from it. No matter how difficult things seemed, she always prepared herself with a plan. And when things did not go according to her plan, she did not lose heart. Instead, she tried all the more harder to achieve her goal. So, dear students, we should also have the sportsman spirit. We should not do cheating on the track. We should follow the right path on the field and in our life. Thank you. Take care. Bye.